Hi everyone, welcome to the Having Fun Making Jewelry Collaboration 2020. I'm the host of this collab, and there's just a handful of us, but we do have a new member, V Wills Design, so welcome V. And Amalia is taking a break this month, so she's still in the links below, but she has decided to take August off on the collabs. Okay, so this month our color scheme was either dark blue or red. And then we had optional challenges. One was to incorporate sapphires, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. And then the other one was to make some kind of teacher or back to school themed item. I did not do the challenges. When I originally wrote this list up, my mother, her birthday was September 30th, so Sapphire was her birthstone, and so I had making a piece in mind for her. But since she passed in June, even though I have friends also with September birthdays, the one that's closest to me locally makes her own jewelry, so she really didn't need me to make anything, and I didn't want to do sapphire or dark blue. I love dark blue. I thought about doing lapis instead of sapphire, but I really wanted to do red because I still owed BeadPark another, let me move this out of the way, another video, and I had these lovely items. And I had an idea since I got them of what I wanted to do, and I just never did it. And then I had also gotten them in the clear. So you can probably see I have earrings here, but that's not all I made. So these sort of clear iridescent ones too. And they're really, really pretty. So, and they're kind of heavy. They have a silver color backing. The only thing I wasn't real crazy about is the loop on the bottom, because I wanted some of them. I probably could have cut it off and filed it, but I wasn't sure if then I'd see, like, you know, like black iron or something. I don't know, because I don't know what the material is. So I didn't really want to do that. So I'll show you what I did. Also, I did find one, and I found it only because I put it on the earrings. I don't know, let me pull two out so I can show you the difference. This one here has sort of an extra blob of metal. I don't know if you can see that. And on an earring, that was very noticeable. So I consider that one kind of a defect. But other than that, they all are pretty good. So thank you, BeadPark. So what I did is I made a necklace. And I don't know how I'm going to show this to you. I'll go up. That is what it looks like. Boy, that looks dark. Oops, that's even darker, huh? And I have this tied with the twist tie back here because it kept falling down. I just have a lobster clasp in the back, very simple. I didn't want the clasp to be really a part of the design and stand out. And this comes down, it's about 24 inches in length, because these are each 3-inch lengths. 3, 6, 9, 12, yeah, 24 inches approximately in length. I do not have an extender on, so on me this comes right down to mid chest, if you will, right about here. And then I have a little dangle on each one, and there's 5 of them. Originally I was going to put 7 on, but I tried it on and I thought, no, that's too much. So I still did a jump ring and did 3-inch sections of chain, but where the twist tie is. But I didn't put any bead dangles on. And then the earrings, I don't know how to do this with it without it falling. Yep, there it goes. Okay. I'll put it sideways like that. Then the earrings are the same, except I have them on a lever back earring instead of a regular earring. And to get them to lay right, I either had to hook it right onto the earring, or I just did a double jump ring. Otherwise they would be turned sideways. So that's what I did. Now the chains do turn sideways. That's a design feature. And each one dangle has 5, 7, and 5 inches. I can change that if anybody's interested in them, to have them forward facing. So yeah, that's my project for this month. I did the red, and I think that will be nice for the holidays coming up this year. You know, December, if you celebrate Christmas, or you just like red jewelry. I like red jewelry. I like to wear red. Well, I used to like it more when my hair was darker. Now it's getting a little multicolored, but yeah, we won't go there. So that's my, oh, and the other things I used, I had this Beadalon medium curved chain. I'm lacking in, I have chains, but some of them are so fine, these were too heavy for the chain, if you know what I mean. So I wanted a sort of a sturdier, bigger chain, and that's what I had without going too big. Now the only thing, it turns sometimes, and I'm not sure I like that part, but anyway. So here, this is what it is, and I used 2 feet just for the 3-inch segments of the necklace, so 24 inches, and another 21 inches worth just to make all the chain dangles, because 5 links, 7 links, and 5 links is about 3 inches. So that's what I did. Yeah, I still like odd numbers even on jewelry, right? It carries forward into card making too, the 3 blings or whatever. Just it's attractive to the eye, in my opinion. So that's my project for this month, everyone. I think it's really pretty, and this is something I would wear, and I may make another one for me to wear. But I'm going to play around with this chain a little bit more and see how I like it, and then it may end up going in my shop as well. And that's on my objective list, like maybe Thursday, to start taking pictures of this stuff and getting stuff listed in my Etsy shop. Yeah, I still have Etsy. So anyway, all right guys, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Be sure to check out everyone else in the collab. Bye for now.